Bună ziua, sunt Cain Bogdan, sunt un fermier din județul Vaslui. Ne aflăm într-o soră de floarea soarelui, semănată nautil, semănată destul de târziu, pe 20 mai. Am făcut un test la produsul Revischei pe 1 hectar, iar pe diferență am făcut doar Revischei pe 1 hectar. Pe cealaltă parte a parcelei am făcut Revischei amestecat cu îngrășământul Flu-5.
Bimani from Sultanate of Oman. Very good. We are very happy basically to see that here we are in Romania and they have just started basically implementing this product Rescape, and today we are also seeing the difference figured out by using this application. It's a fantastic product and everybody here see the difference, okay, by using this product.
Yeah, so what happened here is we actually planted and put Rescape at the same time in the tracks of the sunflowers. What happens is you get a very focused area of the soil that gets porous. My preferred way of doing it is spreading over the whole field to create all the soil porous. And if you look at the soil, we have cracks in the soil, and if we would have applied over the whole surface, we wouldn't have cracks in the soil.
See, this is the phenomenon you see in the normally when you plant the leaching water, the leaching fertilizer.